Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is a high pressure inline filter. Perfect for turbo nozzles and so on because they're very small and bulky. 1/4 inch thread, both sides, male and female. You'll see the filter inside there. What I'm going to do now is just take it in bits and show you the actual filter that's inside there. So what I've done is take apart in bits, and what you'll see is the very fine mesh inside the filter. Just put an airline on it, clean it and put it back again. Bit of PTFE tape around the thread here and tighten up. And like I say, this is a high pressure turbo nozzle filter. Thank you very much, Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. It's the same filter that you use on the patio cleaners as well. Thank you very much.